Paying off your debts in this order will free up cash flow faster. What's up guys? I had to do a video of a simplified process of being able to repair your own credits without using a credit repair company. Never hire a credit repair company. Aside from the obvious money that you'll save from their fees, their major strategy is not effective in increasing your score long term. Basically what they do is dispute all negative remarks on your credit report. And the credit bureau has 30 days to investigate, and in the meantime, those remarks are removed from your credit score, which gives you an immediate boost. The problem with this is that this is only temporary, and if the negative remarks happen to be true, then they will re-report against your score, and you will be right back to where you started. And if you guys would not mind smashing the like button for me, Graham Stephan style. If you enjoy tips on finance, credit, and investing, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Truly, the only legitimate way to repair your credit is to take action yourself, so I made 5 simple steps for you to do. Step number 1 is you have to consciously know your score and know where you stand. The entire purpose of a score is to provide a metric that is predictive of your consumer behavior. If a company is going to lend you money, your credit ranking is an indicator of how likely they are to get paid back. And depending on their level of risk is going to greatly influence your interest that you're going to receive on the loan. Being aware of your own score will give you the perspective of the person on the other end of the table and ask yourself, would you loan money to you? Anything under 630 is interpreted as unlikely that you will qualify for a loan. 630 to 690 is you may qualify, but you're going to be getting the worst interest rates on the market. 690 to 720 is considered a good range and will get you competitive rates. Anything from 720 to 850 is considered excellent credit, and you should be getting the best interest rates on the market. You are allowed to get a free copy of your credit report once a year by going to annualcreditreport.com. But this is an outdated approach, especially considering since we have apps like Credit Karma, which we can check anytime for free. Step number 2 is to stop what quantifies a bad score to begin with. And at least 90% of the time, this is going to end up being because of credit cards. The false mindset of credit cards is that it increases room in our budget to increase our spending. In reality, every time that you swipe that credit card, you are agreeing to a microloan at an insane interest rate. Start with your take-home pay and minus all of your expenses. This is your realistic allowable spending. Downplay spending above this number. And this rolls over into step number 3. If you have too many debt payments, it can feel suffocating without enough funds after paying all of our bills. Do a snowball debt elimination. This is the process of listing all of your debts from smallest to largest. Paying off your debts in this order will free up cash flow faster by quickly eliminating the smaller debt payments with each debt that's cleared up. Doing this will give you more money every month quicker and hopefully deter you from ever using a credit card and increasing your debt. Now, step number 4 is to make sure that you get all of your payments paid on time. Payment history is the number 1 factor that affects your score and makes up roughly 35% of your overall score. While doing the snowball payments, don't ignore the minimum payments of all your other debts. Missing payments is just going to hurt your overall score, which is redundant from what you're trying to do. So the plan is to maintain all of your minimum payments and direct any extra funds to your next smallest debt until they are eliminated. Step number 5 is to avoid opening up any new lines of credit right away. And there are 2 major reasons for this. The entire process of cleaning up your debt to boost your credit score will be for nothing if you just go replace it with new debt. And a brand new line of credit will add a 0 into the average of your credit length history, which makes up 15% of your overall score. Rebuild your baseline and reevaluate what is an acceptable level of debt comparable to your income. Excluding mortgage payments, debt payments should never take up more than 15% of your total income. So plan your work and work your plan. To have a legitimate credit repair, the most important thing you can do is take action. Thank you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to turn that like button blue for me, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you guys enjoy talks about finance, credit, and investing, and I'll see you guys next time.